The content or the information under every page has been put up in a very simple language so that it can be understood by anyone and everyone. Ayurveda has its roots in Vedas and Darshan Shastras and even the other branches of Indian knowledge systems. Namaste, I am Dr. Devashri from Team Dharmaviki. I have been creating various pages on Ayurveda related topics on dharmaviki.org. We have pages on various topics ranging from Ayurveda origin, history of Ayurveda, Ayurveda in Vedas, Ayurveda in Darshan Shastras. Then we have some interesting topics like Janopada Dhvamsa, which is equated with epidemics in the Western science. Along with that, we have various pages on topics like diet, lifestyle, preventive healthcare, daily regimen, seasonal regimen known as Dinacharya and Rutucharya in Ayurveda. We also have pages on various basic concepts or foundations of Ayurveda. The content or the information under every page has been put up in a very simple language so that it can be understood by anyone and everyone. Being on a wiki platform, the speciality of these pages is that the new concepts or the technical terms related to Ayurveda used in these pages have hyperlinks so that anyone who is new to these topics or words can just click on these hyperlinks and you will be navigated to the pages which will have detailed information about that specific term, so that anyone who wants to have deeper understanding about that particular topic can navigate to the pages which are related and can have the complete information about that topic. The links to the original text can be obtained in the references section. We have compiled all the data from the original classical Ayurvedic treatises. The references are given in the references section, and those who want to refer to the original literature can do that by just clicking on the references so that the information can be cross-checked and even verified. Ayurveda has its roots in Vedas and Darshan Shastras and even the other branches of Indian knowledge systems. So wherever required, the pages of Ayurveda have been linked to the pages of other topics or pages of Indian knowledge systems, and the connection has been established so that one can get even detailed information and understanding about that topic. The knowledge of Ayurveda available in the pages on Dharmaviki is not just theoretical, but the pages like Dinacharya, Rutucharya, Vyayama, Abhyanga, Udvartana, Ahar, Achara Rasayan and Swastha Vritta and many more such topics have knowledge which is essential for every human being.